Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about Klaytn KLAY and its price prediction. Now, this cryptocurrency has got very good massive potential. I am talking about 100x. Okay, so if you take a look at the current market cap, right, the current market cap is 726 million US dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of around 53 million US dollars. So obviously, one thing that I do not really love or appreciate about this particular cryptocurrency is the fact that it has infinite supply. Okay, so this symbol obviously means infinite supply, right? So if I am mistaken, please let me know in the comment section below. But apparently, we do happen to have around 3.2 billion US dollars, 3.2 billion tokens in supply. So there are some other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum that have got infinite supply that have done generally well. So this is one of the reasons why I wouldn't be holding on to this particular cryptocurrency for a very long period of time, because hey, that infinite supply means they can obviously have heavy inflation, and this is one thing that I am absolutely worried about. But anyway, worry not, because if you take a look at the overall perspective of this particular cryptocurrency as far as the overall general graph is concerned, right? Obviously, it got added to the market on 30th November 2019, and it has had a massive bull run. The previous all-time high as of today was around $4.34. So if you take a look at the current price, which is roughly around 22 cents, to the previous all-time high, which was around $4.34, there's quite a lot of money to be made. And if you take a look at the graph right over here, the way the price of Klay was ranging, obviously this is a very, very good reason for it to super explode, and it has been super exploding in the past few hours. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that we can get to really exploit it and make a whole lot of money. So let's take a look at the graph, right? Obviously, you know how I do it. I love breaking down the time frame. So if you look at the different time frames, right, let's start with the highest time frame. Let's look at the monthly time frame. If we look at the monthly time frame, right, obviously we have one hell of a journey way ahead of us, because there's a lot of upside. I mean, the other form of resistance that we have, or the only form of resistance that we have mostly, is around 23 cents, 0.2371, around 23, almost 24 cents. Okay, so there's obviously massive upside. And once we break this particular barrier, right, close to around 35 cents, there's absolutely nothing, no resistance at all. And usually what happens, especially when you have had prolonged bearishness, right, stemming for a very long from a very long period of time, right, there's obviously massive momentum which can absolutely explode the prices. So if you take a look at this particular price bump right over here, it's around 46 cents. So I'm really expecting the price to sort of double in the next coming few weeks or in the next coming few months. So I'm expecting the price to double as it is, and as you can see right now, we are having extreme momentum, extreme buying power, and extreme volatility. So this is one of the reasons why I'm actually making this video, to remind you on time that hey, we've had a very long accumulation period from 16th June to 2022 all the way up to today. So we've had almost 1 year of accumulation. So when that usually happens and the momentum is right, the volume and the buying power is absolutely right, there's going to be explosiveness, there's going to be a lot of buying power. And this is one of the reasons why we have seen quite a lot of trading action with regards to the recent times. So this is what I would consider the start of the bullish momentum. So take a look at this particular move right over here. So this was heavy resistance at around 17 cents, and we managed to break out of it, you know. So let's say, for example, worst case scenario happens, but this usually doesn't happen, especially when you've had a very long period of time of accumulation. I mean, we've been accumulating and just consolidating for the past 6 months, for the past 6 to about 9 months. So once we have a very decisive breakout, it's very rare that we get to have a retest. But hey, this is cryptocurrency. There's no certainties. A lot of things just happen, you know, and you have to be prepared for any type of situation. So in case we do end up sort of coming back down, there is a probability that we could end up going slightly below 20 cents to just sort of have that retest and then continue our trajectory all the way up to 35 cents. So, you know, I'm taking this trade and I'm going to be holding on to it, for the next coming 1 week, for the next coming 2 weeks. And I'm just going to keep my fingers crossed because I really believe Klay has got a lot of upside. And if you take a look at the current rank of Klay, right, it's ranked number 71. So a while back, it used to be in the top, 20 cryptocurrencies. It had the top 20 spot, and it has obviously been relegated. And there's a lot of upside, and I really believe the time is right for it to continue going up. So from a technical perspective, I am absolutely thrilled, and I'm excited to see what is going to happen because this particular trading action has been very accumulative, and it really shows a lot of upside potential with our next line of resistance roughly between 35 to about 42 cents. So if you take a look at the difference in the prices, right, the current price and the next form of heavy resistance, that's like almost 100%. So a lot of you might be saying, look, Mona, the price of Klay has already done like a 50% in the past few, in the past 1 week. Does it still have the momentum to continue? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the momentum to continue is absolutely there. And, it's very unfortunate that, I was still on my vacation, my holiday, and, I couldn't update you in advance. So you kind of lost this particular momentum right over here. You lost about 40%. 40 to about 50% of free money, but anyhow, I got you, and we're going to be doing a whole lot of trading, and we're going to be updating each other. So this is one of the reasons why in the comment section below, please let me know what type of cryptocurrencies you want me to take a look at so that I do the analysis. So as far as Klay is concerned, right, it is very risky due to the fact that they've got infinite supply, or rather the total supply is unknown. And, whenever something bad happens, these guys have got the capabilities to sort of infuse or just dump a whole lot of new tokens onto the market, and this is usually going to affect you and I, the token holders, because there's going to be massive inflation. So this is a very big red flag for me, but in the moment, I can sort of take the risk because we've had a long sustained period of accumulation, which really makes the price explode. And if you take a look at the comparison of the previous all-time high and the previous all-time low, right, we are in the equilibrium safe zone area, which is not really that detrimental to our safety with regards to this whole project, because we are at the base of the chart, which really makes it like a safe trade in the moment. So in the next 6 months, I can't really predict what this particular cryptocurrency is going to do, but hey, for the next 2 months, best believe it's going to do extremely well, and you guys can get to make a whole lot of money. You just need to make a lot of these 50%, 100%, price profits on your, investments, and that's what really makes a successful trader. So I'm not really going to go into the fundamentals of Klaytn. I've already done a technical analysis. I mean, everything looks very good. These guys have been having consistent, trading momentum. The volume is absolutely good. There's absolutely a lot of gravitation towards this particular cryptocurrency, and this is one of the reasons why I really think it's going to continue doing well. So in case we do have a little bit of a retracement, best believe it is absolutely it's it's expected after the fact that it has gone up very much in the past couple of days. So having a little bit of a retracement isn't something that you're supposed to be shocked at. So if you're going to be buying this coin, find a better entry if you can. If you can find a better entry, but the best practice is obviously getting to dollar cost average, because you might never know when the next move or when the next leg up is going to be explosive. So if I were you, I would try to sort of get in here at around 20 cents plus some change, or worst case scenario, below 19 cents. So these would be the optimum entries, and worst case scenario would be around 18 cents, and this would be an absolute bargain. And I would go heavy in it if the price had to decline all the way up to around 18 cents, and that would signify a 25% price drop, which is highly unlikely due to the fact that there's a lot of market makers, and the momentum is towards the upside due to the sustained bearish market that has happened for the past few years, and it's poised to do very well. So I'm very excited on this one. But hey, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence, and remember, investing in cryptocurrencies is a very personal thing. So whatever happens, just have the kahunas, to make yourself accountable for all the good and the bad choices that you're going to make. I'm only here as a reference point, and somebody who's going to be there to sort of give you their own opinion as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned. But the ultimate decision, to make a final decision, lies solely on yourself and your financial advisor. This has been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. I'm definitely back, and we're going to be making a whole lot of money together. So please give me a month or two. Just watch and observe everything that I talk about. Write it in a diary. Sort of get to verify what I'm talking about. Am I going to be a profitable trader? Am I going to be getting all my calls right? Am I going to be making a lot of blunders? So just, make me accountable for my words by writing down all the trading advice that I'm giving you and all the price predictions that I'm giving you. And if after a month or two I happen to be very right, you know what to do, and I'm going to help you make a whole lot of money. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later. This is my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you haven't seen how I look. I am definitely that guy on the screen, so that is definitely me. I'm just a little bit lazy to record myself because, hey, your boy hasn't bathed ever since the market started doing well. So yeah, I'm just out here thugging it out. Yeah, of course I'm lying. So anyway, I'm going to bath. Have a great day. Be blessed and enjoy your clay trade. And hopefully it's going to be profitable. Take care. Later.